Alright guys, today we are taking a look at the Arcform Slimfoot. This is a Jeff Blofeld design. Overall length is 7.875 inches. Blade length is 3.5 inches of S35 VN. And it is a hollow ground sheep's foot blade, so very nice shape there. You got a frame lock with a lock bar insert there. And your handles are 4.5 inches in length. It is titanium on the gray and carbon fiber for the insert there. So this one has carbon fiber, we have brass, we have the copper, and we have this one that we've nicknamed the Darkform Slimfoot. And it's got the black coated blade as well. So that looks really, really sleek. But these are really sweet knives, guys. I dig them a lot. So the overall weight is 4.64 ounces. And here is a pocket clip. Oh, excuse me. This isn't a pocket clip. This is a tactical clothespin for size comparison. We'll talk about the pocket clip right now. Pocket clip is for tip-up right-handed carry only. There you go. Alright guys, go ahead and buy this knife or one of its other colors at bladehq.com. This is the Arcform Slimfoot.